Hi everyone, welcome back. This is lesson 23B. So we are going to continue from where we left last time. Okay, um, so where is where where is yet. So try to ask where is it? Yet no. Yet no. Yet no. How would you say place or space? Bota. Bota. So try to say most beautiful place or very beautiful place in Amharic. በጣም ቆንጆ ቦታ በጣም ቆንጆ ቦታ So try to ask where is the most beautiful place? በጣም ቆንጆ ቦታ የት ነው? በጣም ቆንጆ ቦታ የት ነው? I hope you remember how to say expensive, right? Would. So try to say the most expensive hotel. በጣም ውድ ሆቴል በጣም ውድ ሆቴል Ask where is the most expensive hotel? በጣም ውድ ሆቴል የት ነው? In is Ethiopia. I mean ውስጥ. In is ውስጥ. So in Ethiopia is በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ. በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ. In Ethiopia. በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ. Try to say in አዲስ አበባ. በአዲስ አበባ ውስጥ. So try to ask where is the most beautiful place in Ethiopia? Start with in Ethiopia. Where is the most beautiful place? በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ በጣም ቆንጆ ቦታ የት ነው? በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ በጣም ቆንጆ ቦታ የት ነው? Where is the most expensive hotel in አዲስ አበባ? አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ በጣም ውድ ሆቴል የት ነው? How would you say what is it? ምንድን ነው? ምንድን ነው? Best is ምርጥ ምርጥ So and food is ምግብ So best food ምርጥ ምግብ What is the best food? ምርጥ ምግብ ምንድን ነው? ምርጥ ምግብ ምንድን ነው? What is the best food in Ethiopia? በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ምርጥ ምግብ ምንድን ነው? በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ምርጥ ምግብ ምንድን ነው? So where is yet? Which one is የትኛው? We have seen in I guess in lesson 7 or 8. Which one? የትኛው? So try to say which one is? የትኛው ነው? Or which one is it? የትኛው ነው? Which one is the best hotel? ምርጥ ሆቴል የትኛው ነው? Which one is the best hotel in አዲስ አበባ? አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ ምርጥ ሆቴል የትኛው ነው? አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ ምርጥ ሆቴል የትኛው ነው? How would you say something? የሆነ ነገር. Thing is ነገር, some is የሆነ. I hope you remember how to say person from our previous lesson, right? So try to say some person, someone or somebody. የሆነ ሰው የሆነ ሰው Okay, የሆነ ሰው something የሆነ ነገር When you command people to do something you use the word say in English. It doesn't make sense in English, but in Amharic it does. So you are going to say, for example, to say slow down, you are going to say slow down. Okay, so say is bell. So for example, try to say something. የሆነ ነገር በል የሆነ ነገር በል። say something የሆነ ነገር በል። slow down. slow is ቀስ. slow down is ቀስ. so when you want to command someone to slow down, it's going to be ቀስ በል. ቀስ በል. hurry up or quick is ቶሎ. so try to command someone, hurry up. ቶሎ በል. ቶሎ በል. sitting down is ቁጭ. ቁጭ. how would you command someone to have a seat? ቁጭ በል. ቁጭ በል. ቁጭ በል. okay, so 3 is ሶስት. the 3 or 3 of them is ሶስቱ. so we are going to add u sound at the end. okay, ሶስቱ. 3 is ሶስት. the 3 or 3 of them is ሶስቱ. how would you say the 2 or 2 of them? ሁለቱ. how would you say 2? ሁለት. 2 of them? ሁለቱ. so try to ask how much is the 3 or how much is 3 of them? ሶስቱ ስንት ነው? ሶስቱ ስንት ነው? try to respond. the 2 are 1000 ብር. 1000 is ሺ. ሁለቱ 1000 ብር ነው. ሁለቱ 1000 ብር ነው. how would you say your? we add ye sound to express the possession, right? so ya ante to a man and yanchi to a woman. okay, so father is abat. so try to say your father. yanta abat. or to a woman yanchi abat. I hope you remember from our previous lesson how to say with. with is ka and gar. so for example, to say with you, it's going to be ka ante gar. we sandwich you between ka and gar. okay, so ka ante gar, kanta gar. with me, ka ene gar. so try to say with your sister. ከአንተ እህት ጋር. sister is እህት. or to a woman ከአንቺ እህት ጋር. so try to say your father is with my sister. ያንተ አባት ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነው. ያንተ አባት ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነው. or to a woman የአንቺ አባት ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነው. or የአንቺ አባት ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነው. do you want to go with me? ከእኔ ጋር መሄድ ትፈልጋለህ? to a man and ከእኔ ጋር መሄድ ትፈልጊያለሽ? she is with me. እሷ ከእኔ ጋር ነች. ከእኔ ጋር with me. she እሷ ከእኔ ጋር ነች. or simply ከእኔ ጋር ነች. she is with Daniel. ከዳንኤል ጋር ነች. ከዳንኤል ጋር ነች. እንጀራ with ዶሮ ወጥ. ዶሮ ወጥ is traditional food here in Ethiopia. እንጀራ with ዶሮ ወጥ. እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር. እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር. how would you say you have? አለክ to a man and አለሽ. so ask a woman, do you have እንጀራ with ዶሮ ወጥ? እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር አለሽ? to a man እንጀራ ከዶሮ ወጥ ጋር አለክ?